Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So let's analyze the Bank Nifty chart and we'll find out some important key levels for next week. Along with that, I will discuss some important stock market update also. So to know the Bank Nifty levels and important update, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices weekly level update all in one video in stock market pulse. So let's first of all discuss some important update which came in the last week. Then I will analyze the Bank Nifty chart and we'll discuss what all happened in last week, and then we'll find out the support and resistance for the next week. So first of all, let's discuss the important update, which is which is coming from FOMC meeting, and this is that the U.S. Federal Reserve cut interest rate for the first time in 2025 in this year, and reducing its rates by 25 bps. 25 bps means 0.25%, and the range is 4% to 4.25%. Means 25 bps rate cut happened to a 4% to 4.25%. As you all know that फेडरल रिजर्व में दिस ये रेंज होता है 4%, जो भी रेंज में एक रेंज में इंटरेस्ट रेट होता है, तो इसमें 25 बीपीएस मीन्स 0.25% का रेट कट ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, विच वॉज एक्चुअली द मार्केट वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस. So this is the important update, important news that 25 bps का rate cut from Federal Reserve already done from in FOMC meeting. So now the Indian market is also expecting from RBI, that we are actually expecting that now RBI should also cut the rate, but it is not confirmed. We can't say anything. We can't actually predict. Also, we can only expecting. Let's see what happens. The RBI MPC meeting is going to happen in going. It is scheduled in October only. So we'll see in October what is going to happen. Abhi to this September month is going on, so it should actually happen, as already the Federal Reserve has cut the rate by 25 bps. So let's see what RBI is going to do. But yes, market is expecting the rate cut in future. Now let's go to the Bank Nifty chart. But before that, let me share that tomorrow I'm going to post the Nifty 50 levels and going to analyze the chart on Sunday video. Please go through that video also for the Nifty 50 level. And along with that, I want to share that I'm finding out some important sector breakout also, important sector good breakout chart also, that I will share one by one when I am getting that breakout confirmed. So please watch that video, sector video also. Sector means indices, sector indices also I will be posting after confirmation of the breakout. So please put on your notification and keep checking the shorts and long video both. I'm going to make the sector video also, indices sector indices videos also for the breakout. Now let's quickly see and check the Nifty Bank chart, and you will find out what all happening last week. The Bank Nifty has performed very good. You can see from here it has taken a very good support for more than 3-4 days at 53,700 around. Average 53,700 around. It has taken support in this week, 2-3 week back I am talking. So from here it has shown a very good recovery. From here it has never looked back, and you can see continuously going upside. You can see here this line I have drawn, which was even earlier also. Here you can see a resistance. So this resistance, and again here it tried to come till here, and again here you can see resistance. Here earlier it was support, after breaking out it was support, even here it was support. Here also you can see it taken support, but broken downside. तो ये एक area, you can see this area was looking consolidation and was resistance, good resistance earlier also. From here, you can see Nifty Bank did not see backs, did not look back and going continuously upside. Yes, last 2 days means Thursday and Friday, it has given little bit negative, it has given little bit fall, it is little bit negative, but still I will not say it is very negative, because यहाँ पे आके like here you can see this line is very good support, which is 54,300 around. Yes, 54,300 roughly we can say. And from here it is looking a very good support. I don't find why Nifty Bank should break it in near term, in short term. Yes, short term. But upside, you can see here again it is very very good resistance, which Nifty Bank is, even here you can see tried to touch here but could not sustain, and again fell down till here. So this resistance is very very crucial. Here you can see, also you can see, here you can see, and here, and then again, and again, then again. So and again it came here and again taking resistance. You can see here it has actually touched around, I can say, 55,835. यहाँ तक आके 55,809 800 तक आके again it has taken a small pullback, we can say. And here again Friday candle is looking little bit more negative, and I can find out like ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये यहाँ तक आ सकता है, विच इज लुकिंग लाइक विच इज गुड सपोर्ट ऑफ 54,900 या 55,000 कह सकते हैं। 55,000 तक भी आ सकता है अगर थोड़ा बहुत निगेटिव हुआ, थोड़ा बहुत फॉल आई तो। बट ब्रेकिंग दिस 55,000 is looking for next week, it is looking a little tough, but still we don't know if it is breaking it again, so it can touch this 54,300 level। 54,300 के नीचे शॉर्ट टर्म में तो अभी बैंक निफ्टी नहीं जाने वाला है, as the rate cut also already done from the Federal Reserve. So please find this support is very important, very crucial, and I will say very strong also. But before that, please be mindful with this level of 55,000 also, which is psychological support also। 55,000 का एक बहुत ही अच्छा सपोर्ट है बैंक निफ्टी के पास फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक। आई एम नॉट फाइंडिंग वाई निफ्टी बैंक विल ब्रेक इट, बट लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस। तो 55,000 का लेवल याद रखना, एंड resistance 56,100, which is I kept giving even from last few week, this resistance is very 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 strong, looking very very strong। breaking this resistance, if मान लो सपोज कि बहुत अच्छा पुल बैक आ जाता है, अगेन इट इज द बैंक निफ्टी गोइंग अप साइड एंड ब्रेकिंग दिस रेजिस्टेंस, तो अगर ये रेजिस्टेंस किसी हाल में नेक्स्ट वीक ब्रेक कर देता है, so if it's breaking this, I will say definitely it will reach immediately, it will reach to 56,700, this line 56,700 exact। सो जो कि यू कैन सी हियर, यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस लिया 56,700 पे, और फिर हाउ मेनी टाइम 1 2 3 4, और फिर यहाँ से ब्रेक डाउन हो गया, यू कैन सी ब्रेक डाउन। सो this support is very important, which is 56,700। 56,700 will come only after breaking 56,100, which is already a very strong resistance। So we have to be very careful and we have to watch on these two levels, which you please be mindful with these two levels of two resistance, very very crucial and very very important for giving more upside to bank nifty। Support I already discussed two levels, one this 55,000 psychological also, and then 54,300। So overall you can see what all happening since last week, last 2 weeks the bank nifty performed very good. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 this 1 week, and then before that it was consolidating till this resistance. So overall bank nifty for me looking good, not that bad. It may retesting this 55,000 support, and again may go back to the 56,100 or 56,000 का resistance लेके again it will take some consolidation, or some time will take some time here, and then it may break it. We have to watch all that in next week. So overall I have just shared the news of Federal Reserve rate cut, which is 25 bps. 25 bps का रेट कट हुआ है, एंड देन आई हैव एनालाइज द निफ्टी बैंक चार्ट. आई विल रिपीट द निफ्टी बैंक लेवल अगेन for next week. Support 55,000, and then 54,300, and resistance 56,100, and then 56,700. This was all for today's video, and like and share the video, and do not forget to share with your friends, and subscribe the channel also for the important indices weekly level update and important indices sector indices levels update I'm going to share in future, and the stock in news update also. Signing off.